Hello everyone, I'm Yolanda with Decorating with Yolanda. Today I am participating in a collaborative that is hosted by Kimberly Davis from Diva Designing on a Dime, Create with Cindy, and Easy Living with Elle. I would like to thank these ladies for giving me the opportunity to attach my video to their collaborative. I hope everyone enjoys. So, let's start talking about my New Year's tablescape. Okay, so I started out, this is actually a tray, a serving tray, but I turned it upside down and I decided to put my glasses on it because of course we're gonna have lots of company, lots of champagne, so I needed extra glasses. These little things I had for already, they were part of a Christmas decoration, and I just kind of broke them up and added them to my table. The idea is to do a tablescape without spending a lot of money. So most of the items you're going to see, I already had. This I purchased at the Dollar Tree for $1. My vase I already had. The lights that you see inside the vase, I bought them at Aldi's. I paid $1.50 for them, and when I went, they had about 10 boxes. I bought all 10. Of course, this is the same thing I just showed you on the table. They were part of Christmas decorations that I've had for at least 3 years. And this is one of my favorite scents from Bath and Body Works. The candles were purchased, as I just said, from Bath and Body Works. I bought them when they had a sale. I paid $8.95 per candle. I bought even more when they had another sale where you can buy anything. You spend $40 and you save $10. This is one of my favorite scents, Frosted Cranberry. Okay, this is actually what appears to be a table skirt, is actually wrapping paper, Christmas wrapping paper. But I like the color, and what I did is I put it in the center and I folded it on each side, and I put it under the table, under my placemat, so that it looks like a table skirt. This is another little something I bought at the Dollar Tree. These are my wine bottles, and I bought these. I've had these, I know, at least 4 years. I bought them at Marshall's. They were during the Christmas sale, after Christmas sale, so I bought them then. And I think I paid about $3 a piece for them. So let's move on to the actual place setting. I did buy the placemats this year. I bought them at Home Goods. They came 12 for $7. So I bought these at Home Goods. I already had the chargers. I've had them for about 10 years. The white plate, I had the white plate for about 5 years. I bought them at Aldi's, and I bought these this year. I paid 89 cents for them. I got them at Aldi's as well. My silverware, I've had it for at least 12 years. And I thought they were nice because they have a little touch of gold and the silver, so it matches the table setting. These little plates, I decided to, instead of using the plates for dessert, I thought it would be nice to use them as a coaster for my glasses. So I placed the glasses here, and I bought these little things at Target dollar spots. They actually had a string on them because they were like little ornaments or something you can hang up. I cut the strings off and I decided to put them next to the glasses. This glass that is trimmed in silver, I've had this glass for, I would say, at least 3 years. I bought them at Dillard's at the end of the year sale. And if you notice, what I've done is I've rotated my glasses between gold and silver. Gold glasses I did buy this year at Aldi's. So as you guys can see, Aldi's is the place. They came with 4 different styles. All 4 styles is here. Designs. They're all here. The dots, the little polka dots, the little lines here, this one, and then there's this one as well. My idea, my plan, the way I like to design in my home is I like to use things that I have already as much as possible and spend as little money as I can. So this entire tablescape I put together, and this year it cost me approximately $25. I hope you enjoyed my tablescape. There's more to come with my channel. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell. That way you will know every time I've uploaded a new video. And once again, I would like to thank all the wonderful ladies that gave me an opportunity to join this collaborative. Going forward, my channel will include decorating ideas, DIYs, small renovations to my home, shopping hauls, and just ways to save money in general. Everyone have a happy new year.